I am so excited about this recipe. It's called Mongolian beef noodles. And the reason I'm excited is because it's an easy weeknight meal. You only need these few ingredients and you've got dinner on the table in no time. The ingredients you're going to need are brown sugar, cornstarch, linguine pasta, ground ginger. I'm using better than bouillon to make our beef broth, crushed red pepper, garlic, black pepper, got green onion, hoisin sauce.
What is that?
Hoisin sauce, easy for me to say, soy sauce, and ground beef. Okay, my first step is I'm going to brown the ground beef. Got my burner on, ready to go. So we're going to brown this, drain it, and then we're going to add our other ingredients. In my other pot, I'm going to be cooking the linguine. Now that I've done browning the ground beef, I'm going to put it in a container to catch any of the fat, and then we'll continue on the recipe. My water's coming to a boil, and then I'm going to put the linguine in so it can start cooking while I'm still working with the ground beef. Okay, and I'm going to let that cook while I'm back over here at this other burner. So I've drained the fat from the ground beef, and now I'm going to return it to the pan. Now I called for 5 pieces of garlic. Some of my garlic was big, some of it was small. You can certainly add more if you want more. Okay, I'm going to add my other ingredients. Got brown sugar. Okay. Got soy sauce. All right. Next I have black pepper. Okay, ground ginger. And next I have beef broth. Now, if when we're done cooking, if we feel like it's too dry, we can always add more beef broth or pasta water. Okay, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then I have water and cornstarch. Gonna mix that together. Okay. So we're making slurry here. Like I said, it's gonna thicken our sauce for us. And then pour that in. Now, if you didn't want to use linguine, you could use spaghetti or thin spaghetti or angel hair pasta or some kind of Asian noodle. Okay, here's our pasta. I'm gonna just mix it in. Just start with a little bit, I can always add more. Oh, it's moving, yeah, it's moving better. Green onions. Okay, I'm going to get my scraper here, thank you. Sometimes it sticks. Let's see. Ah, yes. Much better. All right, I'll plate it up and we eat the best part. Mongolian beef noodles. That's what's for dinner.
This is some good stuff.
It is.
We tested this recipe last week. Delicious, very unique and different recipe from what Brigetta normally makes.
Right. So if you get tired of chicken, beef's your option.
Very flavorful.
And swirl your linguine. Trying to get a small piece here. There we go.
The flavor in this beef. Delish.
I like it.
Going for another one.
Well, don't forget, the recipe is going to be in the description box. So if you click on the title under the video, it'll open up and there the recipe will be.
I like it.
I like it too. This is definitely a winner. This is a must make.
The green onions are a nice touch.
I like them, yes. Colorful, and they add a little extra something to it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you again real soon in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
I like this.